Have you ever wondered why snickerdoodles are always associated with the sweet and spicy taste of cinnamon? Today, we're exploring the rich history and fascinating science behind this classic cookie. Snickerdoodles have been a favorite for generations. Known for their soft, chewy centers and crispy edges, these cookies also boast a distinctive cinnamon flavor that sets them apart from other treats. The origins of snickerdoodles can be traced back to German baking traditions. Originally known as Snickerdoodlen or snail noodles, these early cookies included spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. German immigrants brought their baking traditions to America, where the snickerdoodle evolved into its current form. The inclusion of cinnamon continues to be a key ingredient, contributing to both flavor and texture. The combination of cinnamon with sugar not only enhances the cookie's taste, but also impacts its texture. Cinnamon helps in creating that characteristic crunchy exterior while maintaining a soft center. While snickerdoodles might seem similar to sugar cookies, the baking process and ingredients reveal crucial differences. The science behind cinnamon contributes significantly to their unique flavor profile. In conclusion, snickerdoodles stand out due to the distinctive role of cinnamon in both taste and texture. This cookie is a delightful blend of history, culture, and science. So there you have it. Snickerdoodles wouldn't be the same without their cinnamon twist. What's your favorite part about these cookies? Share in the comments.